Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook feed not loading. If your Facebook feed isn't loading, refreshing, or showing new posts, the issue may be caused by a poor internet connection, outdated app, corrupted cache, or a temporary Facebook server problem. So here are the best ways to fix it. So first is to refresh the Facebook feed. Sometimes the app simply needs a manual refresh. So go ahead and open Facebook. Swipe down from the top of the feed until the loading icon appears, just like so. Then wait for new posts to load. So again, swipe down from the top of the feed until the loading icon appears. Next is to restart the Facebook app. So closing and reopening the app can resolve temporary glitches. So on iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, then swipe Facebook away. If you're using Android, you can open recent apps and swipe Facebook away, then reopen Facebook app and see if that works. Next is to check if Facebook is down. Facebook occasionally experiences service outages that affect users worldwide. So you can visit a service status website like Down Detector or check Facebook's official social media channels to see if others are reporting the same issue. Next is to update the Facebook app. So open Play Store or App Store, then search for Facebook. So install any available updates and make sure you're using the latest Facebook update. So once updated, open Facebook and see if that works. Next is to restart your device. So you can turn your phone or computer off and then wait about 30 seconds. Then turn it back on and try Facebook again and see if that works.